Hi friend, you are welcome to today's class. Today we'll be looking at formatting in Excel. How to format your text and numbers in Excel. It is important to know all these formulas. Your competence and your assessment will be based on this. But while reporting, when you see the way reports are being prepared, it won't look professional. You discover some reports are not professionally handled. Yes, the formulas are correct, everything is correct, but the presentation also matters. This is where the issue of formatting comes in. How to use the proper format at the right time. So let's dive in. When you go to Home tab on your Excel, you will see all these tabs. On the ribbon, you see the clipboard, you have the font, the alignment, the numbers, styles, cell, and editing. All these are used to make your report look professional and look beautiful. So you see from the image here we have the clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, and style. And when you right click to format number, you see you have the number formatting, we have alignment, we have font, we have border, fill, and protection. All these are there to make your job look professional. The first one we're going to talk about is text name. When you have your text, you format your text with either of these. Here you want bold, we have different fonts where you can change how you want it to look like. You see that each time I click on it, the text will change. The text name, you see, is changing. So that is how to change the font. Then you can use italics. We have underline, want to underline it. The color, here we have the color. And also here, this we have when you are filling a cell, the color. We call it color coding. So we have this, use it for color coding. You can change the color to any color that you want. So we have change it to black or any color. Now we also have the font color, which you can also use. For example, in this case now, if you use black to type, you see that it will not be readable. But let's use white color to type here. You see, we have font name, font color. Font color. So you see that it comes out. So that's where we use the font color there. And we have the want to increase the size of the font or to decrease it. Let's click on this. We have, let's increase this. You see that the font is increasing. Also we have decreasing and decrease from here. So we have the alignment. Where do you want it to be? To the top, into, down, left. Okay, let me expand this. We have left, center, or right side. So this can also be useful. And we have indent. In the situation whereby, let's say we talking about category. So we have, let's say here we have marital status. Status. So under we have single, have married. So you will see that both everything we have them on the same level. So in this case, we can indent it to show that these are subset to this. Just go to your home tab, click indent to write. So with this, so where we have this is 20, they can have this as 12 and this as 8. If it is sex, then we have male, we have the female. So that's how we use indent. We also have wrap and match. We have the merge. This merge can be done in various ways. Merge center, merge across, merge cell, unmerge, and others. So all these we'll look at them and talk about them. Now, so we have the font text here. We can format the font size. We have the text appearance where we modify we can modify the default view of the text by looking maybe hardboard, italics, underline, and the rest. Change the color, the alignment, mention that. Then we talk about the orientation. The orientation is where you can rotate either you want it to, like in this case, you can rotate it like have this. How do you want it to look? You want, if there is need to get that, so we have something like this. You can also change it in another format. Okay, want it vertical hop. It is have everything written vertically the status. So you can practice different orientation, how it rotates. We have wrap text. When you have when you have a text that is longer than the column that you have, then you can use wrap text. Like in this case, let's return this back to normal. So in this case, assume you have something like this. So how do we wrap this? Click on home tab and click on wrap text. So when you wrap, you see that instead of the word to go into the next cell, you have everything within a cell. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, kindly remember to subscribe to the channel and click like on the